The three suspects who were arrested in connection to Jacqueline Mimi Torres' death in New Britain, Connecticut, appeared in Torrington Superior Court today for their arraignments. Remember, Carla is being charged with MURDER with special circumstances, conspiracy to commit MURDER, risk of injury to a child, tampering with physical evidence, intentional cruelty to children under the age of 19, and violating the requirements of the disposal of a dead body. Jacqueline, Carla's sister, is being charged with first-degree unlawful restraint, risk of injury to a child, and intentional cruelty to a child under the age of 19. And Jonathan Nanita is being charged with conspiracy to commit MURDER with special circumstances, risk of injury to a child, first-degree unlawful restraint, intentional cruelty to a child, improper disposal of a body, and tampering with physical evidence. The judge ordered bonds to be set for Carla Garcia, who is Mimi's mother, and her boyfriend, Jonathan Nanita, at $5 million each. Jacqueline Garcia, who is Mimi's aunt and Carla's sister, has her bond set at $1 million. No contact orders were put into place for all three suspects. A lot of the no contact orders seem to be for the children in their lives, with one of the children being born this year in January of 2025. Police believe that Mimi passed away in the fall of 2024 due to prolonged physical abuse and malnourishment. They believe that her body was kept in a storage tote in the basement of the family's home for months until she was ultimately left behind an abandoned home in New Britain, Connecticut by Jonathan Nanita. Jacqueline was reportedly homeschooled, which officials said limited the community's ability to recognize that she was missing. However, New Britain Mayor Aaron Stewart said that Jacqueline's family was involved with the state's Department of Children and Families, meaning there should have been wellness checks being done on these children, and there wasn't, which is crazy, especially when we look and see that all three of these adults who were around Mimi have a criminal past that involves violence toward children. Back in 2019, Carla was charged with assault in the third degree. In 2024, Jacqueline was charged for injury to a child of the age of 10. Jonathan was charged in December of 2022 for reckless endangerment of a child, yet Mimi was left in their care. The next court appearance for all three of these suspects is November 14th, 2025. Justice for Mimi is coming. I don't think that they're going to see the light of day anytime soon. I'll be shocked if they ever do.